How to see who viewed your Facebook featured collection. So if you want to see who viewed your Facebook featured collection, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you just need to simply go with your bottom or your profile, which will be on the bottom right, and then you need to go with settings, which will be on the top right. Now you need to go with your stories like your archives and then add something to your highlights or something to your featured collection. Once you've added to your featured collection, you need to go with your profile, and if you scroll down, as you can see that you will have your featured collection shown right here. So if you want to see who viewed your Facebook featured collection, then just simply go and select the collection and then go with the viewers, which will be in the bottom left. And here you will have all of your viewers. So in my case, I don't have any viewers yet, but if you have any viewers, then it will show on the bottom of your screen like this. That's how you can see who viewed your Facebook featured collection. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.